is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and yet again we are checking in from the Universal Orlando Resort for a Jurassic World VelociCoaster construction update. Last night we saw some awesome testing, rocket launch, and more. It's all on our YouTube. And we're heading inside the park again to hopefully get some more testing. Let's do this. Hey, what do you know? The lighthouse. That's right, we're back at Islands of Adventure, and right now again, the park is packed. Lots of people leaving and entering. And as of right now, turnstiles on the right are not open. Ones on the left are, and there's a little bit of a wait. Not too bad. Well, only about a 5-minute wait to get through the front entrance, but no wait to get through temperature checks or through security. We're on our way. Well, they just stopped it in the tunnel. City, and if you watched our live feed on YouTube, well, we showed all the walls were down over here, and we can see the numbers are lit up 3, 4, and 5. Now, some speculation, is that the number of raptors that are in the attraction? I don't know, we'll see. Good news, the pathway lights over here that were just installed recently are now on. And then this section again for the raptor paddock, number 1 and 2. Well, they stopped the train in the second launch about over an hour ago, and it hasn't done anything since. The park is clearing out, so it's just about time to go. Well guys, that's going to do it for another update here from the Universal Orlando Resort for the Jurassic World VelociCoaster. Exciting stuff as we saw even more test runs tonight, and some of the lighting was on from the new area where all the work walls was removed. Of course, we're going to have more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.